Alrighty boys, welcome back to another video. Today we are out here on my cabin lake again, and we are going to be trying to catch a big bass. I'm going to be throwing a jig, chatterbait, frog, Texas rig, and possibly a wacky rig if I just don't catch fish. But we're going to try to stay away from the wacky rig and try to catch like a 4 or 5 pounder. So stay tuned. Just got out here, just launched the boat right over there, and I was fishing this lift right here. I made a cast on the other side. I snapped off, casted back, reeled it in super fast because I made a bad cast, and a big old fish blew up on me right there on my jig when I was running on top of the water, and I did not catch him. That's a really good sign about how aggressive these fish are going to be. I got my GoPro and back camera. It is sprinkling out right now. It should stop soon, but that's about best weather I like to fish in is when it's raining, because of the barometric pressure and how low it is. Means fish are more aggressive. So stay tuned. Let's get fishing, boys. All right, boys, cracking a Sprite before we get fishing. Catch a freaking giant today, boys. Finally ready to fish. Holy, that took like 20 minutes to get this all ready. We're all good now, boys. Alrighty, first section is a little docks. See if we can't pull one out of here. My battery might be chopped, so we might need to get a new battery sometime soon. So later tonight, we're gonna be fishing topwater, and I have a good feeling. We got 50-pound braid for my topwater rod. Hopefully I do not snap off the pipe. Jesus. Oh my God, he just snapped me off. Where is he? Oh my God, dude. Come on, bro. Holy, what the? My line just teleported through a stick. I don't know how it happened, but I'll take it. Ooh, that's a fish. Got him. Fish. Oh, big bass. Big freaking bass. I think I got a net, yo. Come here, buddy. Yep, yep. Stay down. Holy, yeah. 3 easy. Got him. Holy. Freaking go, dude. That might go 4. Let's freaking go. Oh my God, that's 4 easy. Come on, dude. Look at that. Choke the mother freaking jig, dude. Punch it out. That's gotta go freaking 4. Holy hell. Oh my God, that was sick. Come on now. She's gotta go freaking 4, right? All right, let's get the scale out. Might as well. This is your sign to put down the freaking wacky rig. Yep. Yep. Hold me, locker. 414. Holy. Let's freaking go. Let's get it back. Beautiful, healthy bass. 4 freaking pounder, dude. back to the depths he goes, and we're gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we get a lot more of those. That was sick. There is a lot of boats. And I got a fish. Not exactly what I thought it was. Holy, this guy's like yellow. All right, buddy. You're gonna have to cut that out. There we go. Second bass of the day. Not gonna put him on our bag. I'll take a little guy. It just sprayed me so bad. Well, he ate that bandeater bug. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I am so hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day, and I am literally starving right now. So I am turning around. I'm gonna go back, probably make some mac and cheese, eat that, maybe rest like for an hour, but I will be coming back out. I think it's a good fishing weekend, but I feel like I'm literally gonna throw up in my mouth. I am so hungry. I will see you guys when I get back out here. Alrighty, boys, I just made mac and cheese, kind of laid around a little bit and fished for bluegills because my grandma wants some fish, so I just caught some bluegills for her. But as you can see, I'm back here in the boat. We're gonna be heading back out. I'm gonna be fishing jigs, just, you know, what I was fishing before, and hopefully I can catch a couple more bass tonight. And then I'm gonna catfish off the dock. And what else? Oh, fishing in the morning and all of next day pretty much for bass. So stay tuned. We're gonna catch a big one. Holy shit, I cannot see anything. I can barely see my frog with sunglasses on. Good thing I got 50-pound braid. Holy hell, that's a 30. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna grab him. He might fit in the net. Oh, holy shit, dude. That's bigger than I thought he was. Holy hell, I don't know if you got tipped over for that. That is a good bite. Wasn't even really paying attention. I wonder if these kids want to see this. Yeah, I'd say this frog is pretty much done. Holy. Here we go, guys. First fish. And God dang, dude. Look at that pike. Look at the teeth on this guy. That's why I run 50-pound braid up here in the north. Bite anything less than 50, this 32-inch pike would have just came off. 32-incher? That is sick, dude. Well, fish are blowing up all over the place, but 32-inch pike. Let's get this big freaking gal back. I mean, what a freaking giant of a fish. Holy. My frog might be destroyed, but at least I got a 32-inch pike. Back into the depths she goes. Hopefully she doesn't bite some little kid's foot off, but dude, that was right here or something. Let's take a look at my frog. I don't think we're gonna be able to use this one anymore. Maybe with some super glue it might work again. See if there's any gashes in it. Oh, there we go. Dude, there's literally fish blowing up everywhere. I'm gonna get back in here. Hey boys, I think we're gonna have a pretty good night tonight. There is literally fish blowing up everywhere. I thought that was, which is wild. Oh, that's a good cast. Let's see if the fish think it's a good cast. I swear, every single day I'm trying to sound more like Nazpelts. Oh wow, that is a pretty good looking 32-inch pike, and he crushed that frog. We're gonna take a little look at him and then get him back. Holy. Scared the jeebies out of me. That was a good pike. Probably a good size. Definitely not a bass. Pike, guys. Pike. Oh, I reeled up to him. This guy's got some spunk in him. Definitely not a bass. Another like 30-incher, dude. Yep. Stay down, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's probably fraying the shit out of my line. Holy crap. He's probably gonna take off in the net. I'd say a 30, almost. Almost. Holy crap. Well, not a bass, but a good pike, to say the least. We'll retie here in a second. Okay, exactly 30 and a half. Oh my goodness. 2 30s on the day. First one was a little bit bigger, but still. Holy crap, this guy got it good. Holy crap. All right. 30-inch pike. Let's get it back. Right there. Jesus Christ. We got big waves. Good freaking pikes, dude. You had to get my arms soaked. Oh my God. Let's see how the frog is looking. Oh boy. Oh boy. Good thing we are at the end of our frog stretch. Look at this. Just absolutely destroyed. That's exactly what two 30-inch pike can do to your frog. Not a bass, but a big pike. So that is awesome. Well, not really big, but a good sized pike. So that is freaking awesome. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a bass soon, boys. Let's keep fishing. My hands are full with super glue right now. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a bass. Stay out. Stay out. Let's go. Let's go. Probably only like a 2-pounder. Let's go. Choke the frog. Surprisingly, still intact. Let's keep catching fish, boys. That was insanely shallow. 2-pounder. Let's get him back out. I want to get down for this guy. There he goes. Keep fishing. It's a freaking good one. I feel like this is a good spot for right now. Like, I could obviously be back by the channel, but like, I have faith in the spot. I feel like there could be a big fish up in here. So I don't know. Oh, he doesn't have it. He does not have it. Don't you hate it when fish do that? Especially the big ones. It's like you got a giant mouth and you completely miss my bait. Like, what are you even doing, dude? Oh my God, he missed it again. This is a big pike. Hungry too. Holy crap, dude. Try to burn it in. Jesus. Oh my God, he just snapped me off. Jesus. He's right here. I don't think he's coming back for it.
Where is he?
Oh my God, dude. What the? I just lost 2 frogs in literally the matter of 2 seconds. guys back at the house, probably eating shrimp or catfishing. Peace out, boys. Alrighty, boys, just ate some magnificent shrimp, or not shrimp. I had steak, salmon, potato salad, the all jig, but I am going to get some chicken on a catfish line and cast it out. Alright, 14. Let's get this gal back. He should swim off pretty fast once you get him in the water here. Alrighty, boy. Good morning, boys. Last night was a late night. I stayed up till like 2:30 playing cards and catfishing, which I did get one catfish, but it was really bad footage. I might put it in now, or I might put it in the end. I don't know. But I am back out here, and it looks like a good day. I think we can catch some fish here. We are gonna rip to the spot, and we're gonna catch some fish. So I'll see you then, boys. It has been a freaking grind, and it's not even a good fish. It's a dinky fish. It has been a grind to catch one of these guys. It gets to a point. Where like literally everywhere I cast, I don't get a fish. That was a big fish. Got him. Got him. Not a giant. Oh, it's good bass. Oh yeah, good bass. Oh, bigger than I thought, dude. Sit down. Sit down. Not a giant though. Bigger than I thought. Holy. It has been a freaking grind for a fish. Finally got one on the frog. The old Googan frog. You can eat me. She might go 3.5. Another big bass. Look at that, barely hooked her. Okay, let's get a weight on her and then send her back. Oh my. Biggest one of the freaking trip, 415. Wow. I was not expecting that. I mean, it has been a grind for some bass, but at least we've got 2 4-pounders. Wow, that is sick. I'm gonna give this guy a drink while I figure out my dope. Alrighty guys, I accidentally stopped recording when I released that bass, but I just released him right over there. He swam back down, and hopefully we can get another fish before I head back for breakfast, so stay tuned. Let's keep fishing. Somehow I got that on both. I threw my GoPro as soon as I caught him, it started geeking out. I don't know what to say. I tried. Look what I was throwing too. Alright. I just went 31 minutes of throwing this shiner shad looking soft plastic, you know, boot tail paddle, boot tail swim bait. I don't know what they call them, but just a little like paddle tail, and in weeds, pockets of weeds, lily pads, whatever that other stuff is called, hydrangea or whatever. No fish, not even a single bite. Listen to this. Like, not even a pike would hit it. I'm going back to take a nap before this day morning. Arrest me. Peace out, boys. Alrighty boys, back at the crib. Just want to say it's been a minute since I filmed that video. It is now October when I have finished editing this video, and I filmed it in August, so it's been about like a solid month and a half since I filmed that video. But my GoPro just powered off. I was editing, but it was a solid video, hard video to film, but it paid off with 2 4-pound bass, 2 30-inch pike, and a big catfish, as you saw. I think I put that in the video. Yeah, I did. Hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Hoping to get one more open water video out for you guys for ice season hits, and then obviously film ice season. So stay tuned for that, boys. Hope you enjoyed this one, and like always, I'll see you next time. Peace.